Say goodbye to keys and forgotten passwords. Check out this wireless fingerprint padlock. It comes with a USB charger. At first, you can unlock it with any finger. To go into fingerprint saving mode, you have to long press on the scanner for a couple of seconds. To record your fingerprint, you need to press on the scanner for almost 5 times. And once you have this green LED blink indication, that it means it has recorded and registered your finger. Maximum you can record up to 10 fingerprints. Here I'm trying to test with the fingers which I have not registered, and it passes the test. And for the 2 fingers I have registered, it also unlocks it quite quickly. It's perfect for securing your bags whether you're traveling at the gym or on the go. Unlock instantly with just a touch, no hassle, no wait. Enjoy!